Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can turn off Alexa in the Amazon Shopping app. So let's get right into it. First and foremost, Alexa is a voice assistant or an AI, well not really an AI, but rather a digital voice assistant such as Siri or Microsoft Cortana or similar programs, which you can control via your voice to make or to do certain things, such as any commands, playing music, or rather even purchasing things through Amazon. And of course, you might want to turn that off. And as you can see, this tutorial is going to be exactly about that. I am on the browser version and I am using a help and customer service article since I do not have Alexa myself. I'm not even sure that she's available for me in my region. She might be. However, I'm not 100% sure. But yeah, this article will just clear everything up and it should not detract from the tutorial at all. But yeah, as you can see, what it says in this article is first and foremost, you want to open up the Alexa app. Alexa is controlled by an entirely different or separate app from Amazon. So make sure that you have that installed, and you probably already do considering you're searching how to turn Alexa off. Once you're in the app, go into the More section and click on Settings. Once you're there, click on Account Settings and then go into Voice Purchasing. Once you're here, just turn Voice Purchasing off and Alexa should be turned off. I think that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed and I'll see you guys in another video.